a few things going on today. One, a buddy of mine named Danny Gardner is helping me out here, letting me borrow his tractor. I've got a ton of brush to cut down at the new place, so we'll get some video of that. It'll be the first time I use a rotary cutter, so it should be an experience. And then second, we're going to add some more dirt to the driveway, or pull some dirt from other places. And then we're also going to put a couple 4-inch PVC pipes under where the driveway is going to be near the house. So I have some sleeves to run things for whatever I need to run. I can't tell you how many times I have wanted to run something under my current driveway and haven't been able to because I didn't want to dig a ditch that is required to use one of those doohickeys, whatever you call them. Anyway, so we should have fun today. Lots of work. I took the whole day off, or most of the day off. Got a few conference calls I have to get on. But the other thing is I'm going to give this a shot. See what everybody thinks about this. If I'm going to live in the country, I might as well try to fit in a little bit and keep the sun out of my eyes and on my neck, so I don't become too much of a redneck. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you later. Okay, well, we got a lot of the bush hogging done that we wanted to get done today. I just need to do a couple more things right here behind you. I'll get some video of that. And onto the driveway and the putting some sleeves under the driveway pad. Overall, very pleased, so thank you, Danny. Really appreciate you allowing me to borrow your tractor, and I'll definitely fill it up for you. So anyway, on to it. See ya.